motorelease.com.
The BMW R1200 GS Adventure and its base brother, the R1200 GS, have continually topped the sales sheets across the BMW Motorrad lineup. In 2016, during BMW's sixth straight year of record-breaking sales, the R1200 GS models accounted for nearly 47,000 of the 145,032 motorcycles sold. The 125 horsepower Boxer ADV arrives as a carryover for 2018, but with some unique upgrades. The connectivity option with its full-color TFT 6.5-inch display is BMW Motorrad's highlight of 2018 optional features. Connectivity was designed to provide fast and clear information for the rider with the least possible distraction from what is happening on the road, BMW reports. The rider can access motorcycle and connectivity functions quickly with a great level of comfort thanks to the advanced BMW Motorrad multi-controller and the integrated approach. In addition, the new TFT display combines the familiar classic display of data such as RPM and speed with new technology that provides an enormous range of features, BMW says. Also for the 2019, the R1200 GS will be available in 3 new colors: racing red, red paint, black frame, black brake calipers, silver fuel tank. Style rally, light white/Cordoba blue paint, Cordoba blue frame, gold brake calipers, Cordoba blue fuel tank with large logo, rally seat, radiator, and frame protection, short windshield. Style exclusive, black storm metallic/dark slate metallic matte/Acot gray paint, frame Acot gray, gold brake calipers, dark slate metallic fuel tank with large logo. Like and subscribe for more motorcycle update.